Today on CarFacts, a Japanese design icon of the 90s, the Mazda RX7 FD. Besides its for me beautiful design, the RX7 is known for one sound. However, it doesn't make the sound as standard. For the noise, the intake ports have to be enlarged to a point that even a bridge for the sliding seals of the rotary piston has to be left in place. That's why it's called bridgeport. What else is it known for? Tuning. Through movies like Fast and Furious or the games Need for Speed, the car became extremely famous among tuners. I would even say that it is mentioned in the same breath as Skyline and the Supra. Accordingly, there is also everything available for the car. Unfortunately, the engine needs a lot of maintenance. The apex seals do not seal as well as the seals in a normal piston engine. Accordingly, the oil consumption. But there are also meter-long flames from the exhaust. They say that every 1000 miles 1 liter of oil is normal, and every 3000 miles oil filters, oil and fuel filter have to be changed. But did you know that it has also a bit in common with Porsche? The first RX-7 was inspired by the Porsche 924. And the FD's sequential turbocharger was a technology also known from the Porsche 959. The RX-7 was the first to bring the principle to mass-produced production cars. But how many cars are there actually? A total of about 69,000 cars were built between 1991 and 2002. Yes, the FD was built for 10 years. Unfortunately, it was only sold in the US for 3 years. Although it was import car of the year in 1993, it was only sold there until 1995, because it became too unpopular. Really hard to believe. The RX-7 was not only sold under the Mazda name. In the 90s, Mazda created sub-companies. Autosam is one of them, Unos is another, and there is also Enfini. Enfini is like Lexus at Nissan, also the luxury brand. The FD was the last RX-7 in 2002. Successor was in certain way the RX-8. However, it did not develop the hype by far. However, Mazda presented the Mazda RX Vision at the Tokyo Motor Show in 2015. Really a nice car, but I wonder if it will really come now that everyone only wants SUVs. The most powerful engine in the RX-7 had 276 HP in the 13B engine. It manages to accelerate the very light car from 0 to 60 miles an hour in about 5.2 seconds. But did you know that the RX-7 was extremely successful in motorsports? And not only the FD. Wins at Le Mans, at IMSA, at the BTC Championships and also at Daytona. That's all forgotten. And for me, the highlight is the IMSA RX7 GTO with the 26B 4-plate rotary engine. If you want more interesting car facts, please check out my channel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.